Hello, in this video I will write nested loops. By using the nested loop, I will display a triangle on the screen. So here, let me show what we want to do. Okay, so let me use black block command. So here I will say, let me use so this pound sign. So in the first line I will have just one pound sign, and then 2 pound sign, 3 pound sign, and so on. Okay, so here I will display the triangle in this way. So let's write the loop. Okay, or let me just display it this way. Okay, so here I will have a for loop, and the initialization part is in the first iteration. So we need two parameters actually. One of them is to go row by row, so it will be first row, second row, and third row. And also in every iteration there are some other repetition in the, for example, row 3 we display 3 items. So because there is a repetition in each line, we will use another for loop for each line. Okay, so first of all, the outer loop goes from row to row. So here, let me declare a variable which is row. Okay, and then another variable column. So row and column. Okay, so this one, so it goes from row to row. So row equals 1, and row, okay, as long as actually, let's say the row we want to display four lines. Okay, so as long as, or less than equals to 4, as long as it is less than equals to 4, keep going, and row plus plus. Okay, and the other thing is, in every line we need another repetition. So here column should be initialized to 1. Okay, column 1. Condition, okay, in here, in the first line, when, okay, so how many times this should iterate? So that is totally depends on the row number. In the first row we display okay, let me do this. Let me say column less than equals to 4. Okay, and then increment column by 1. In here, statements, printf this. Okay, now let's see what happens. Okay, it displayed 16 of them. Okay, the problem is in here this says row is 1, and then in the while when row is 1 we display 4 of them, and then we don't go to the next line. If you say go to the next line here, let's see what happens. Okay, this is not what we want. Okay, it displays all of them in one line. Okay, so let me do this. So this is, we don't want to go to next line. So I want, in every row I want to display 4 of them and then go to the next line. Okay, so printf just next line character. After it displays, goes to the next line, then it goes to the next row. Okay, so now let's see how this works. Okay, we are getting closer, but we are not there yet. So here I display 4 pound sign in every row. Um, Instead of displaying 4 in every row, I want to say this is totally dependent on the row number. When the row number is 1, we display one of them. If it is 2, we display two of these. So this is a row. Okay, so in the first iteration, row is 1, and this will iterate once. And then in the next iteration, row is 2, this iterates 2. Okay, now let's see how this works. Okay, it worked. So let's see if I make this 8. Let's see how this works. Okay, so it also works correctly. Uh, I hope this is clear, and have a nice day.